Started our towel production in the year 2000 by installing terry flex looms, and thereafter Picanol developed looms with terry plus looms with sumo motor, which was much more efficient than the earlier version. You see. And we could weave all these varieties, lengths, widths and designs on those looms. Now Picanol has developed what's called terry sumo machines. You see, we have ordered 10 looms to begin with, followed by 48 more looms, and the total population thereby comes to 100 looms. Yeah. Picanol is making very sturdy looms, you see, and quality-wise with much less breakdowns as compared to its peers in the market here. We wish Picanol a great success.
We at BMD are automotive fabric manufacturing company. We are leaders in India. So far we RPM depending on the cover factor and count and so on. So we are happy with that we are able to run 600. Hope this service will continue, and in future we'll have more Picanol looms to meet our increased requirement in near future. And thanks a lot, and wish you all the best to Picanol team. Thank you. We are using Picanol Optimax looms in our facility for the last 8 to 10 years. These looms, we are using it for lightweight fabrics, and these looms are run at high speeds. Because of these looms, it gives us a lot of advantage in terms of productivity and quality. We are happy with these looms.
We are originally textile traders. We were doing a lot of fabric business, and then we wanted to get into weaving and manufacturing of textiles. And then we got into touch with Picanol. And with Picanol, there was a lot of trust. There was a lot of right guidance. We acted more as technology partners rather than just machinery vendors for us. Even now, when we are running the machinery, we are not working as suppliers of machinery or customers. We are working more as a partners. In case there is any problem we face, we find Picanol to be very handy. The service team is excellent. The people are excellent, and they help us in all the aspects.
started with Picanol with 20 machines, Picanol Gamma. Later on we added 30 Picanol Optimax, out of which 8 are Optimax I. And basically they are fully loaded machines, including all the major accessories and spares which are required. You just need to start the loom once you get the delivery. This is not true with other companies. So it's a win-win situation, and there has never been a quality which we don't run on these machines. We have had a very good experience. Bottom line is we trust Picanol. We don't have to worry about that, oh, this has not been included in the package, oh, this has been excluded, which while negotiating with other companies we did face a lot of things they excluded, just simply excluding. It's like, oh, you have to order it separate. With Picanol, it's not the case. The machine runs at around 650 RPMs of Optimax I, and we comfortably run our Optimax model at 600-620 RPMs.
Picanol is a versatile machine, and we can use any type of yarns, polyester yarn, even cotton and coarse count also. And we can make some different dobbies and structure fabrics.
While changing up, we have never had an issue. When there is a beam running of 2x20s and then there is a sudden changeover of 80s in the warp, it's quite simple. It's not as complicated. We can do it easily with Picanol, with these machines. That is the adaptability, and the settings are pretty automatic in the machine. I have been very happy with the performances of the machine. They are running at our units since the last 4 or 5 years, and we have been expanding, and we're still looking at some more Picanol machines. Basically, these are the qualities we make with the Picanol. They all are value-added products.